By using programmatic advertising, we can target your ideal customer and ensure your brand message is seen across the digital devices they use every day. One of programmatic advertising's key strengths is its ability to use multiple types of media, allowing your message to reach potential customers in different ways and at different moments. This includes display ads, which are image-based ads shown across the internet, video ads, which can run as pre-roll or on connected TV, and audio ads, which function like you would typically hear on the radio. From our experience, when programmatic advertising is integrated into a digital marketing strategy, it often supports and improves the performance of other marketing channels as well. As consumers see your brand repeatedly through targeted programmatic campaigns, they're more likely to recognize and choose your business when they later search for an automotive repair shop. Whether that interaction happens through paid ads or organically, this creates a more holistic lift across your marketing efforts, supporting everything from organic SEO performance to paid search placements on platforms like Google, Bing, and other digital channels. Rather than working in isolation, each channel reinforces the others and helps your overall marketing perform more effectively. To support programmatic advertising and video placements, we also offer video production services, where our team that's trained on best practices for creating video content for automotive captures your brand story and your message. If programmatic advertising is a service that you're interested in applying to your business, we would love to get it rolled out for you and take your shop to the next level.